Hey everyone, I'm Sison, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the new Sony NEX-5R. Now this replaces the popular NEX-5N that was released in 2011, and today I'm doing the unboxing with the silver twin lens kit. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is what the NEX-5R package looks like when you purchase the twin lens kit. Bear in mind that when you purchase the camera in white or silver, the new 16-50mm lens will be a silver color, and if you buy the camera in black, it will be packaged with the black version. The first thing we have is some paperwork explaining the power cords and warranty, and a few manuals in different languages. We also have the software CD, different power cables for different countries, a USB cable which is used to transfer photos and videos as well as to charge your camera, a W-type battery, an AC adapter, and this here is the external flash that mounts on top of the camera. It also comes with a carry case. We have a shoulder strap, this here is the 55 to 210mm telephoto lens, which is also supplied with the lens hood. And lastly, we have the NEX-5R with the new 16 to 15mm power zoom lens attached. So it's pretty small compared to the 18 to 55mm lens. The LCD is a touchscreen and can also be flipped up for self-portraits and tilted downwards for overhead shooting. It also has Wi-Fi and the ability to download new applications, and also a new autofocus system, which I'll be talking about in my review coming up. And there you go. So that was my unboxing of the Sony NEX-5R. I hope you enjoyed that, and now that you have a firm idea of what's actually in the box, you can click the link right here for my full review, or clicking the link in the description below. You can also like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Sony Alpha product reviews, tutorials, and more unboxings. And don't forget to like my Facebook page for more photo updates. Until then, happy shooting and thanks for watching.